Hey there, financial freedom seekers. Today we're diving deep into the real story of why Gen Z is struggling financially, and, more importantly, how you can absolutely crush your money goals despite the odds. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the notification bell for the best money tips and tricks. Let's get brutally honest for a moment. If you're feeling like the American dream is more of a financial nightmare, you're not alone. The economic landscape has transformed so dramatically that the financial playbook your parents used is now basically obsolete. We're talking about a complete economic reshape that's leaving an entire generation feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, and frankly, a bit terrified about their financial future. But here's the thing, while the challenges are real, so are the opportunities. You just need to know where to look and how to act. The numbers don't lie, here's what you're up against. Let's break down the cold, hard numbers that explain why you're feeling so squeezed. Since 1980, the cost of a college education has exploded by an absolutely mind-blowing 1,200%. Think about that for a second. A 4-year degree that once cost around $10,000, adjusted for inflation, now runs close to $39,000 at a public university. And we're not talking about some luxury education, we're talking about basic higher education that used to be a straightforward path to economic stability. The student loan situation is equally brutal. The median student loan debt for college graduates in 2023 sits between $20,000 and $25,000. That's not just a number, it's a financial anchor dragging down an entire generation's economic mobility. These loans aren't just pieces of paper, they're real constraints that impact everything from your ability to save for retirement to your chances of buying a home. Yet, they're often treated as just part of life, which makes it even harder to break free. And let's not forget housing. Back in 1984, a median household could buy a house for about 3.5 times their annual income. Fast forward to 2023, and that same house now costs nearly 6 times your household income. In raw numbers, a median household income of $22,000 in 1984 could secure an $80,000 home. Today, a median income of $80,000 struggles to afford a $426,000 house. But here's the kicker, this isn't just about inflation or bad luck. It's about systemic economic shifts. Local governments have made it difficult to build anything other than single-family homes in many areas. Zoning laws restrict housing development, creating artificial scarcity. This isn't a conspiracy, it's well-documented urban planning that has systematically limited housing supply for decades. The result? Fewer options and skyrocketing costs for you. Changing the narrative. Here's where most people get it wrong. They see these numbers and fall into despair. They start believing the narrative that everything is hopeless, that the system is rigged, that they're doomed to financial struggle. That stops now. While these challenges are daunting, they're not insurmountable. The truth is, the rules of the financial game have changed, but that doesn't mean you can't win. You have to play smarter. And that starts with rejecting the doom and gloom mindset. It's time to take ownership of your financial future. Your 5-step strategy to financial transformation. Let's dive into the blueprint for crushing your financial goals. These aren't pie-in-the-sky ideas, they're practical, actionable steps that can change your economic trajectory starting today. Step 1: Radical personal accountability. You can't control massive economic shifts, but you can absolutely control your response. The median household in America still has a net worth of $193,000, proof that financial success is possible, even in this challenging landscape. The key is to focus on what you can do, rather than dwelling on what's outside your control. Here's a crucial mindset shift: your financial journey is uniquely yours. Comparison is the thief of joy, especially in personal finance. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's okay. Your rich life looks different, and that's not just acceptable, it's awesome. Step 2. Design your personal, rich life. Let's get clear on what rich really means to you. Do you want to own a home? Fantastic. But ask yourself, is it genuinely what you want, or just what society has conditioned you to want? Maybe renting and aggressively investing makes more sense for your lifestyle. Break down your priorities with precision. Do you want to travel the world? Build a business? Save for early retirement? Create generational wealth? There are no wrong answers, only your answers. A rich life is one where you allocate your resources, time, energy, and money, toward what truly matters to you. Step 3. Automate your financial system. This is the secret sauce to financial success. Automation ensures your money goes where it needs to go without relying on willpower. Here's a bulletproof breakdown. 50 to 60% of take-home pay covers fixed costs, rent, utilities, groceries. 10 to 15% goes toward investments. 5 to 10% to savings, emergency fund, short-term goals. 20 to 35% is guilt-free spending money. The beauty of automation is that it simplifies your finances. You set it up once, and your investments grow, your bills are paid, and you have money to enjoy life, all without constant micromanagement. Step 4. Build your financial safety net. An emergency fund is non-negotiable. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. If you spend $2,000 monthly on essentials, your target should be $6,000 to $12,000. This isn't just about financial security, it's about peace of mind. With a safety net, you'll have the confidence to take risks, whether it's switching jobs, starting a side hustle, or investing more aggressively. Step 5. Start investing, like, right now. This is where true wealth is built. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. For example, if you invest $400 a month from age 23 to 65, you could end up with over $1.1 million, and that's assuming a modest 7% annual return. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you. Even starting with $50 a month makes a difference. Over time, increase your contributions. Pro tip: raise your investment amount by just 1% each year. That tiny adjustment could mean hundreds of thousands more in the long run. Your investment strategy doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a diversified mix. Low-cost index funds, great for beginners. Some individual stocks in sectors you understand. Commit to regular contributions, even during market downturns. The secret weapons: mindset, networking, and side hustles. While numbers are crucial, the psychological side of money matters just as much. A growth mindset is a game changer. View money as a tool, not a source of stress. The goal isn't just to accumulate wealth but to use it to create a fulfilling life. Networking is another overlooked superpower. In today's economy, who you know often matters more than what you know. Build genuine relationships by attending industry events, joining professional groups, or engaging on LinkedIn. Opportunities often arise through connections, so don't underestimate the power of your network. And then there's the magic of side hustles. Whether it's freelance writing, digital design, tutoring, or content creation, the internet has democratized income generation. Side hustles aren't just extra income, they're a form of economic resilience. They give you flexibility, skill growth, and an additional income stream that could eventually replace your 9-to-5. Redefining work and wealth. Here's the bottom line: your generation isn't just adapting to economic challenges, you're redesigning the concept of work and wealth. Remote jobs, gig work, and content creation are just a few examples of how Gen Z is flipping the script. This is your chance to redefine success on your terms. So, are you ready to take control of your financial story? Drop a comment below and share one financial goal you're committed to crushing next year. Let's build this journey together.